Hey, Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2018 Pacifica. This is a Touring L with navigation, rear DVD. It's a good looking van. Outside's in great shape on it. It's got power sliders both sides, power rear hatch. Should have blind spot monitoring. Park assist, which helps with the radar in the back. Has backup camera, navigation. As you can see, it has power rear hatch, Stow-N-Go in the rear. Lighter color interior, does not smell like smoke. It's a pretty nice unit. Got power sliders on both sides. Stow-N-Go second row. Rear temperature controls, of course. 10-inch DVDs, those are in the back of the seats. There's twins of those. And a power driver seat, of course, power windows, power door locks. 8.4 radio. Has AM, FM, satellite. Has navigation. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. This car's got 20,900 miles on it. Of course, it's got cruise control and Bluetooth for the phone. Give me a ring on this one. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you. Even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.